Hi, this is James Shrug with Westpac London's end of day report for Wednesday, April the 17th. Well, it's a bit of a down day today, certainly on European markets, with European car makers marked down especially sharply, following figures showing declining car sales on the continent. We had very little economic data to report today, but some of the earnings reports out of the US were disappointing, with Bank of America, for example, missing expectations. We saw some big name firms like Apple marked down sharply, and Caterpillar as well, one analyst downgrading their recommendation with regard to that earth moving equipment manufacturer. The Bank of Canada left rates unchanged at 1% and left their very mild tightening bias in place. UK employment fell for the first quarter in the 3 months to February since the middle of 2011. So although there's been patchy economic growth over the last year and a half, there had been jobs growth, although that's drawn to a close now, it seems. And the earnings figures related to those numbers were very soft, with the lower, excluding bonuses, the earnings growth of 1% was the lowest. Its annual growth of 1% was the lowest on record. The Bank of England minutes showed, yet again for the third month running, a 6-3 vote against further quantitative easing in the UK. But other than that, really just negative sentiment pervading markets. We've got the FTSE at the close down 1%, the French market down 2.4%, the German market down 2.4%, Spain off 1.8%, and a 1% loss on the Italian market. And the Dow at the moment is down around 1%, with the broader S&P 500 index down 1.5%, and the Nasdaq down almost 2%. The Dow's at 14,604 at the moment. Commodity prices are lower, with copper prices down 3%. Oil prices down 1.9%, $87.04 a barrel there. And gold, though, is unchanged for a change at $1,388 an ounce. The Aussie dollar's off about a cent during the London session. It's at 1.03 at the moment, just on 1.03. It was almost 1.04 earlier on today. That's about it, really. Just a very quick wrap today. Pretty disappointing across the board. I'll be back with more tomorrow.